Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows system. So in the first step, go to search bar, simply type here percent local app data percent and click here to open it. Now simply we need to open Google folder, then open Chrome folder and then user data. Now right click on default folder and simply open its properties and rename it and rename it as default one. Then close this window. Now right click on Google Chrome application, open its properties. Then from target section we need to add some text. So at the end of the target, type space dash no dash sandbox and click on apply and then okay. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.